Hello, I'm Amy Illich, the founder of Senna Studio. Welcome to my channel. I talk on all things Squarespace and Canva and getting your business online and getting visible. So I do videos on and tutorials on Squarespace, Canva, Flowdesk, Notion, all the things. So this video is just going through very briefly why I would choose Squarespace over Wix, because that's a common comparison that people make. Squarespace over Wix, and a lot of people have built websites on Wix because that is what seemed to be the best beginner website platform, and now they're converting to Squarespace. I want to save you that headache of having to do the swap later and tell you why Squarespace is so amazing. So Squarespace is so ahead of its time. It's always doing updates. For instance, now it's just come out with a Fluid Engine Builder, which means it's a drag and drop. So you're literally dragging an image, you can make it bigger, make it smaller, and it's just so easy to use. Very sleek design templates as well. I basically would say that Squarespace is the Apple of website builders. So Wix also offers a range of templates, but they don't seem to be as user friendly and just not as professional looking, and they might seem a bit outdated, I would say, in my opinion. So Squarespace is user-friendly. It's so easy to use. It's intuitive and, like I said, drag and drop editor. And it's just such a big advantage for small business owners. Basically, you're going to just save so much time building in Squarespace. So with e-commerce, so if you've got a shop and things to sell, Squarespace offers a more robust e-commerce platform than Wix. So it's got built-in features like managing inventory, processing payments, and shipping orders. And Wix also offers e-commerce, but the functionality it's just not as functional and it's less customizable. The other thing that Squarespace is amazing for is customer support. It's got 24/7 live customer chat and also email chat. And I literally use it all the time, even though I'm a Squarespace expert. And I always use quote marks, because what is that? Everyone's got imposter syndrome. And when do you become an expert? I guess when you have that 100 hours of craft time. I'm also a weaver. That's where I learned that from. Anyway, I digress. It's got 24/7 customer support live chat, and I've got a video on how to get to there, because they make it a little bit hard for you because they don't want to, be wasting their time all the time like answering your questions. But I've got a really fast way of getting there, and then there's hardly any wait. Wix also offers customer support, but some find it less responsive and just not as helpful. So I would say that is a bonus. When I first started using Squarespace, it was more than 10 years ago. And the story was that I asked my boyfriend, because he's a designer and he builds websites, and I asked him to build me a website for my weaving business. And he was like, nah, sorry, don't have time, but you can do it, which annoyed me at first, but actually it was just so empowering, because I was like, yeah, I can. I spent ages doing it, and I used customer support a lot. And then I built it. So that was 10 years ago, when there wasn't like all these YouTube amazing tutorials like mine. Check them out. Okay, the other thing, pricing. So both Squarespace and Wix offer lots of different plans, but Squarespace plans seem to be more affordable for small business owners. It feels like you don't need all the bells and whistles for Squarespace. Like, everything is all involved there. You could add Acuity, which is a scheduling tool. That's the only thing that you have to add, really. And there's different plans, but it just feels like it's worth more for what you get. What's that saying? The buck. I can't remember. Anyway, it's just worth every penny, I would say. So those are just some points where I would choose Squarespace over Wix. Please then subscribe to this channel if you have liked this video, and please comment down below and I'll try my best to answer you directly, and let's get some chatting going. Do you use Wix? Do you use Squarespace, and why? Thanks for watching.